It's the Ram Man. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video we got a Ryzen 1600 paired with the RTX 2060. And this is a great combo. The Ryzen CPU is like $130 brand new on eBay, so that is a great deal. The RTX 2060 performs similar to a GTX 1080 and runs for about $350, so you're better off buying a brand new 2060 than a used 1080 because you can overclock the 2060 and pretty much match the same performance. As for the RAM, we got the Corsair Vengeance RGB series. Now you want to use 3000 MHz at least for Ryzen because Ryzen is memory starved, and if you look at the end of the video, I just did a quick benchmark with Cinebench and I just changed the memory speed from 2133 to 3000 and the difference was incredible. So you would definitely want to do that before you start increasing your core clock speed. This build performed very well and I hope you guys enjoy this video.